one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. You may have felt the tension of wanting to move forward, but still noticing the old patterns, the old reactions, the old weights trying to pull you back. You felt discouragement, knowing that the Lord has more for you, knowing that there is much more that is ahead. And yet, the Lord says to you, trust in me, that I am the one who is working. I am the one who is bringing transformation, bringing change. For I am doing a new work in your life, a deep transformation. Like the caterpillar transformed into a beautiful butterfly, I'm not finished yet, for the work of transformation is ongoing. You will experience the true freedom that I have won for you. You will experience the new lightness within. I'm bringing my words of life, my words of healing to you, for we are walking together along the path of life. I'm writing with you the story of your life. It is a story that we are working out together. It's a story that we are walking through together. Draw close and listen to my voice. Draw near, for I long to speak to your heart, to renew you and to reassure you this day. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.